how to get Rosalia font on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily get Rosalia font on Instagram. First things first, you'll need to go to your app store and then you will need to search for Instagram and make sure that the Instagram is updated to the latest version. Make sure there is no update sign. So once you've updated the app, then all the new features will be accessed. Now you just have to open the Instagram and then you'll need to tap on add to story and choose a story that you want to post, and you will see the font option on the top, and just tap on the AA, and there you go, Rosalia font is right there. And to make sure that your app is updated, you might also want to check if your software of the phone is updated to its latest version. So also software update your device. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.